Typical day at the Deetken Group? Well, to be honest, there is no typical day. We've been growing at 20% a year since we were founded close to 15 years ago. We don't have time for typical.
Our consulting team is really good at helping our clients solve complex problems. We've worked with numerous government ministries, crown corporations, and agencies across Canada and internationally. We also have a deep experience working alongside or as counterparty to many private sector organizations. And we found that no two problems are ever alike. But we have this core set of skills in economic modeling and analysis, in strategy development and planning, in organizational design, in advanced analytics, and a whole bunch of other areas that help us to think about and solve problems in a different way. And we can apply this expertise to all the sectors that we work in.
We're always building on our practice. Let's take our work in the area of data science as an example. This is not a new area for us. Since we started out, Deetken has used our advanced analytics skills to develop insights, guide informed decision-making, and build quality, fact-based solutions.
We're working on a project right now that leverages a number of machine learning techniques to identify and quantify the impact of healthcare-related IT service failures. We uncovered a number of challenges that our client was not aware of, that they couldn't see previously because of the techniques that they were using to interpret data. We've now been asked to design a support system that would allow the client to address these challenges.
With the growth in data that we've seen today, we recognize that no one person can do it all. To build a data culture, you're going to need people with strong statistics, modeling, visualization, and computer science skills.
As a company, we are constantly looking to broaden and deepen our capabilities. We invest in our people so that they can be leaders in their profession, and we are committed to building a diverse team with different and complementary skills. Our team has advanced degrees in economics, computer science, engineering, mathematics, and international development.
We are artists, musicians, and athletes. We speak 6 different languages and have lived in over a dozen countries around the world. This diversity really drives innovation and creativity. It helps us to look at and communicate problems in a different way.
At Deetken, we encourage each other to apply our diverse interests, commitment, and creative energy to work with our communities. We volunteer with foundations and community-based organizations focused on vulnerable populations in Vancouver. We sit on the board of a microfinance institution that helps low-income Indigenous populations in Guatemala. We sponsor refugee families.
Deetken's commitment to diversity and innovation has been the bedrock of our path-breaking work in the impact investment space. Our asset management activities have actually evolved in a very positive direction as we are now fully committed to impact and responsible investing. Earlier this year, we were proud to launch the Deetken Impact Fund, one of the first impact funds in Canada with an international focus. Our main geographical focus is on Latin America and the Caribbean. Our investments are in healthcare, clean renewable energy, small business and micro-lending, as well as social housing. We invest in companies that have a sustainable social or environmental impact in the communities where they operate, and that also deliver strong and stable financial returns in growing markets. It is not an easy task, but it is one that we pursue with passion, strong entrepreneurial skills, and solid local partnerships. During the past decade, we have forged key partnerships with local organizations which will continue to prove essential in achieving our goals going forward.
A typical day at the Deetken Group? There's no such thing.